So this past weekend we went surfing, we saved the person, and we went horseback riding. So today we have a nice little adventure. We have a nice little surf session in Rosarito. I have no work today. It's the weekend. And I have all the time in the world. No baby, no wife. So let's enjoy it. So usually parking is way more over there by the beach. But right now it's everybody and their mother is here. So here we go. This is a nice little spot I found. Look, dolphins right there. Oh shit. It's like super cool. They're surfing. They're over there. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm so lucky. They're all beach breaks, so you gotta watch out for the current too. Oh look, boom. Yeah, don't you ever let anybody tell you you can't do something, you know? You can for sure do it. You just gotta make the time for it. Nobody has time. I don't have time. I make time. I don't know. I see a lot of flippers over there just flipping around. I'm not sure if it's just dolphins or sharks versus dolphins. Either way, I'm not going. You know, TJ has welcomed me with open arms, and TJ is such a cool place, actually. Ya, cansadito, ¿cómo te llamas?
Agustín Juárez.
Ah, es todo. Aquí. Échate un descansito. ¿Quieres que te ayude a empujarte un poquito?
Sí, yo con usted.
You're stuck on a riptide.
Oye, ya tenía rato que no venía al mar.
No, es que aquí ahorita te está jalando para afuera. Ahí está. Poquito más, poquito más. Te va a quebrar, te va a quebrar encima de nosotros.
Sí.
Ahí está.
Ya está.
Ahí está. Chido, ánimo. That's the third person I save here in Mexico. Who did not know how to swim? So I haven't even been here for like 3 months, and I've already saved 3 people in the ocean. It's people that get drunk and they like to party, and you know, they just like to go out there in the ocean, and then the riptide takes them away. And that guy was like super tired. I thought he was kidding when he asked for help. See, right now the current is telling me that if you go this way, it's gonna suck you out. This way and this way are pushing you out. So you gotta make sure you don't even have to paddle. You don't have to freak out or anything. You just have to just grab one hand, go straight. It'll just pull you right out. it for Rosarito. Rosarito's very nice. I think it's my favorite beach here. So now that we had a nice little session, I mean, I thought it was a great surf session. Anytime you get wet, anytime you just paddle out there and get wet, it's a nice day, you know? One thing I love about Mexico is their beaches, though. They are super chill, super laid back. There's like food, there's drinks. So he's getting the horses ready. Here we go. That's our horse for the day.
Ya, agarra la dieta y esta manera, ¿ok? Para cuando tú vayas allá.
Here we are. A nice little horse.
Toma. Ahora.
Abajo. Good girl. Worth it, just sitting here, sunset, everything, beach, the horsey, he's so nice. No, ouchies, ouchies, ouchies. How do you? ¿Sí, no? Sí. ¿Le dio tiempo o algo? ¿Eh? ¿Le dio dinero? Sí, ¡es todo! And we conclude our Rosarito trip. Rosarito's very fun if you go by yourself or just with your wife. No kids. If you take your kid, you're stuck with your kid.